What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be driving the G35X, and I know I said that we're gonna record installing the differential, but it was just a quick fix. It wasn't like that serious, but now we got it running and everything. So we're gonna take it on a test drive and we're gonna see how she feels. And also a quick update, I recorded my BMW getting towed to the BMW dealership, but I didn't record any of it. Well, I did, but I deleted all the scenes and stuff on accident. I was trying to post it, but it didn't upload right. So it's at the dealership right now. It's getting fixed up. It should be on the road sometimes this week, and I'll record about it, you know. But as soon as I get it out of the dealership, it's gonna go straight to detail, so I'm not gonna like do much to it until it comes out of the detail. So far so good. The car still has a misfire, but it's shifting really good right now. No issues at the moment, but I feel like she's good to sell. Just even like this with the misfire, don't you think, Joe? I feel like anybody would buy this.
I just checked the check engine light code. It's just misfire in cylinder 3, which is. But
I still feel like
bank 1's center cylinder.
I know, but I still feel like you should like replace all the spark plugs, because like even replacing one, it could cost.
You don't just replace one. That's stupid.
I know.
They're so damn cheap. You might as well just do them all.
Yeah. You'd be surprised that so many YouTubers like replace just one just to get to point A to point B, because you know they try to do it for the content. I feel like.
Oh, hello.
Whoa. Hey, that looks just like mine, but I don't have the M5 wheels. Can I be your neighbor? Oh man, I totally forgot how good it looks in the front after we did the repairs on it. Damn, she looked good. She looked thick. Right now we're just airing up the tires. I'm gonna be doing my business. I'm gonna be taking out all the silver trim. My brother already sold the wheels and the steering wheel, or no, not the steering wheel yet, but I'm gonna be taking off all the silver trim off this baby. These were actually brand new. The previous owner actually sanded them and coated them up again, so I'm gonna take off all the interior trim.
Look at this shit. It's so bad that you could put it in and wiggle it.
Wait, hold on, I'm trying to focus. Yeah, look at that. That's crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna start doing this. I'm gonna start doing this, and then yeah, I'm gonna actually try to YouTube it and see, because I don't want to break anything, so hopefully everything goes out to plan. And just like that, all the trim is removed, even from the middle of the console. Side door trims, all of that. This, like the previous, I know the previous owner, he was a friend of ours. He still is, but it used to be wooden, and he had trouble like like doing the middle console. But all you gotta do is just remove the boot, and it's like clamped onto this plastic thing right here. And you remove the boot and you pull this up, and you don't need to unplug any of these, because like it's like kind of like movable, like wherever you want to put them. And then there's two screws right here and right here. Unscrew those are Phillips. Unscrew those, and then you just start working your way up from the front to the back, and then just start like, you know, playing with it, and then you're all out. All right, so I just have this spotlight just in case, if like, you know, you guys can't see me, but as you can hear, the car is still having like kind of a misfire. My brother took out one of the spark plugs and had a bunch of oil in it. Inside the, like, it was covered in oil, like one of the spark plugs was covered in oil. And we just put seafoam in it to clear it out, but it's still like having some weird issues, so we're gonna take it on another test drive. So we just wanted to do one more thing, look under the car and see what the rattling was. And yeah, that's not good. That's not good at all. Hey, don't shine your light on it, hold on. Whoa, that's my first time seeing this. Like an exhaust, like super red, that's crazy.
There's another code, P0300, which means multiple misfire, which is not good, but I'm assuming it's just because of oil residue from valve cover gasket being shitty as fuck. And passenger catalytic or driver catalytic converter looks like it's completely shot. It was literally glowing red, which is bad. Your catalytic converters are not supposed to glow red. There's a chance that it's clogged now. I think it has something to do with the seafoam we did. Maybe too much seafoam, I don't know. I've never had issues with seafoam. All it did was clean.
The seafoam didn't, like, it was doing that noise before you put the seafoam in.
I don't think it was.
Yes, it was.
I don't remember it doing it.
Why'd you want to check it anyways?
Check what?
This noise, the rattling noise.
That noise is completely different from the freaking thing just glowing red. So now instead of just cylinder 3 misfire, it's multi misfire, and the freaking catalytic converter is probably shot. And it's all probably because it sounded actually pretty good when you started it up and just ran it. It sounded pretty good.
Well, on that note,
seafoam in it.
Yeah, so we put seafoam in it and we took it on probably like the third test drive. Still no good news even after doing the spark plugs. Maybe the catalytic converter needs to be replaced, which is a huge job, and the catalytic converter is also leaking, so that's not good either. So bad news from there, but maybe next video we'll get better at it and see what's the issue. We might take it to an exhaust shop to get it checked out. But do me a huge favor, you guys, rate this like this video, subscribe and share with your friends, and put the notification bell on, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.